I hope everyone is being able to see my screen, right? If yes, please write down the message yes in the screen, in the chat section, okay? Okay. Whenever I ask any questions, okay, you just write down the answers in the chat sections, okay? So that if anyone has doubts and all, that too you can write in the chat section. So 64 people have joined, and I think we are supposed to have 80 people. So just 2 more minutes. Sorry for the delay. So I think we should start now because I think no more will join. So I'd like to hand over the screen to Arpita ma'am so that she'll give the introduction of the scene.
Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us. Is I'm audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute. We can chat with each other if you have any doubt. If my voice is not audible to you, please press 1. And if I'm audible, then please press 2 option. Welcome you all of you. Thank you for joining us. It's warm welcome to you. Warm good morning to all of you. Thank you Ekant, thank you Nilav. I can't thank you all of you, but we are very great for giving you such an exciting webinar to you. Okay, let me start. Good morning. I am an academia lead. I am Arpita Singh, working as an academia lead in New Robos company, New Delhi. And today we are presenting a webinar on making a piano using Arduino. Before starting the webinar, I would like to brief our company. That is, what is New Robos? The New Robos is basically a learning platform since more than 15 years, and we are presenting a webinar as well as a workshop regarding Arduino, artificial intelligence, Scratch codes, and 3D printing. Lots of courses are affiliated with a New Robos course, so you can just log into our website and go through that. So for today's agenda, main agenda of today's webinar is making a piano using Arduino. If you are familiar with Arduino microcontroller, then it is very good. And if you are not, and if you are new to the microcontroller, then it covers the basic concepts of electronics as well as different type of microcontrollers and the overview of Tinkercad software, which is going to be used today. At the end of the seminar, at the end, we have a certain exciting surprises for you. So please join and remain touching with us. Please enjoy and have a good day. So I would like to hand over to our mic to Mr. Nishant, who is the technical lead in our company. If you have any doubt or you have any discussion with us, you please chat with us, being connected with us, and it is very grateful for you all. Please enjoy. Now, Nishant, I'm giving my.
So good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. So I hope everyone is fine at your homes. So schools and everything is shut down. So it's an opportunity for you all to learn new things, and new things include like robotics, electronics. Okay, apart from the school curriculum. So in this webinar, I'll be showing you how to make a piano using Arduino. Actually, this doesn't only include piano. Okay, you can add. I'll be showing you how to add music to your projects. Suppose you make any alarm clock, okay, and you want to add some music, okay. So you can add some music to your Arduino projects through this by learning the basics in this webinar. So, firstly, is everyone able to see my screen? Materials required? Please say yes in the chat section. Yes. Okay. So I think everyone is able to see. So I'll be just briefing you about the basic components, okay, so that if anyone is a bare minimum beginner out there, so we have to just tell them about the same. So we'll be using breadboards, okay, breadboard. Everything will be online, okay, everything will be online in the virtual platform called Tinkercad. So firstly, what is a breadboard? Okay, breadboard is just like a small piece of circuit board type of thing where you can connect different components together in an easy manner. Okay, in any easy manner, you can connect components together without using like very sophisticated PCBs and all. So breadboard is like a like a plate where we eat every day. Okay, so it is like the same for electronics hobbyist. Okay, so registers. Okay, register is like traffic police. Okay, you just imagine it like a traffic police, just telling the traffic to go here and here. So it's hello. Yes, who's this? Please mute. Am I not? If I'm not audible, please mention in the chat section so that we can know your problems. Okay. Yeah, please mute your mic so that one person speaks at a time. Okay. Okay. So I'll be continuing. Like registers, it control the flow of current, like a traffic police controls the flow of traffic in some road, and so you can just imagine it like that. Okay, you don't have to know the proper definition of register, but just imagine it like a controller. Okay, that controls flow of current. Okay, so push button, you can imagine it like a switch that you have at your homes. Okay, a switch that controls your electrical appliances. So similarly, in basic electronics, we have push buttons for the same purpose. So we come here to Arduino now. So now I'll be giving the human analogy to Arduino. Okay, so how many of you have been familiar with Arduino before? Please tell yes or no. Okay, some people are saying no. So I'll be giving very basic understanding of Arduino, what Arduino is, so that the people who are telling no can also have a basic understanding. I'll not be giving you technical jargons here, because for people who don't know anything, so we have to just relate it with something. So Arduino is like you can tell this board is actually Arduino Uno. Okay, so here you can see a black color thing. Okay, this is a microcontroller. Okay, it is like a brain. Okay, in a human body, okay, we have a brain that controls everything, right? So it is like a brain of this board. Imagine this whole board as a human body. Okay, if it is a human body, then this is the brain of the body. Okay, and the digital pins. Okay, we have some digital pins where you can connect sensors and actuators. it is like a like sense organs that we have, hands and legs. Okay, we use our hands and legs to walk around, and we if we touch something, it is like a sensing. Okay, we throw something, is like an output. Okay, so digital and analog pins, it is like our hands and legs. Okay, where we do output and input things. So we also have a USB port. Okay, you can imagine a USB port like our ears. Okay, so if we have our ears to listen something, Arduino also has a USB port through which we can tell it what to do. Okay, so it cannot do everything by itself. Okay, so we have to tell it what to do in through a program. Okay, in the later part of the video, I will be showing you the programs that we have to install in the Arduino. So this is it, and there are something like DC jack and 5-volt and G80 pins. These are actually, you can just imagine like a food we take. Okay, Arduino also needs some power energy to function. So this is like a we eat something to sustain ourselves, right? So even Arduino takes some power. Okay, electrical current and voltage through this pins. So I hope everyone got a gist about it, and if they knew everything from before also, they just got to know everything now. So please tell yes or no if you understood what is Arduino. Okay, some people are asking how can we do it without materials. Okay, I'll be telling you in the later after some minutes how we'll do without Arduino. So more people are joining in. Welcome Meenakshi Devi. So now everything, some people had doubts that where we'll do without anything like hardware. Without hardware, how we'll do the thing. Okay, we'll be doing in tinkercad.com. Okay, hope everyone is having a good internet connection, so that we'll be doing hands-on workshop. This will not be a like PPT presentation workshop. You all will be doing some hands-on thing, so that you can learn. Okay, without doing anything, you'll not be able to learn robotics and electronics. Okay, you have to do, then only you'll learn. Okay, so you'll be setting up things. I'll be telling you how to set up things, but before that, I'll be telling you what sound is. Okay, because we are all dealing with sound and musical notations in this workshop. Okay, in this project, we'll be just learning how to add music to your projects. Okay, so firstly, you need to know what is sound, what is amplitude and all. So in basic, okay, you can Google this exact definitions, but exact definition is not required. You just need to know what these terminologies are. Okay, amplitude means, suppose I'm speaking out. Okay, how loud I'm sounding, how loud I'm speaking, that is called amplitude. Okay, amplitude is basically how loud a certain person, a certain speaker, anything is sounding to you. Okay, that is amplitude. A frequency is like how fast the thing is being heard to you. Okay, I'm speaking at a certain pace, right, at certain speed. So how fast am I speaking? Okay, that is called frequency. The sound which you heard at a certain pace, okay, that is called frequency. Okay, vibration, it is like I think everyone has a mobile phone, and at your homes also parents have, and you may have seen that phone vibrates certain times. What it does, it moves in its mean position. Wherever it is kept, it is just moving up and down, right? So vibration is the movement of something on its rest position. Okay, so that is vibration. Now we'll come to sound. Sound is nothing but vibration plus some audible frequency. Okay, when you have some vibration and when you have some frequency to it, add some frequency to it, you will hear some sound. Even we humans, when we speak, we have some vibration in our throat, and we add some frequency to our sound. We do it not deliberately, we do it automatically. Okay, it is our innate thing, we do it automatically. So sound is basically vibration plus audible frequency. So I'll be asking whether you guys understood it or not. Please tell yes or no if you guys did understand. If not, please tell no, so that I can tell about it again. Yeah. So I can see a couple of yeses. Okay. So now I'll be just moving to the real fun part. Okay, where we'll do the things stuffs. Okay. So I'll be sharing a link. Okay, I'll be sharing a link in the chat section. Okay, please don't flood the chat section with yes or no now. Okay, just so that everyone gets the link. I'll be sharing a link. Don't tell yes or no now. Okay, just press the link and you'll be redirected to some page, web page. Okay, there you'll have 3 more links. Okay. If Arpita ma'am, if the link is visible in the chat section, please say yes.
Yes, it is
Okay.
visible.
Okay. So I hope everyone has gone to the Notepad PW site. Okay. So now I'll be showing you how to do stuffs, electronic stuffs. Okay. Now just don't flood the chat section with messages so that everyone can get the link. Okay. If you tell yes now, 60, 70 people, the Notepad PW link will go upwards and you have to find it. Okay. You'll face some difficulty. So now I'll be telling how you can do the simulations online. Okay. So is everyone able to? Now I hope everyone has opened the link. Is everyone able to see my screen right now? Yes. Now you can tell yes. If yes.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Okay. So you go to notepad.pw. Okay. Can you see this screen? One of you can say yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can open the link. Okay. Open the link in a new tab. Okay. And you'll be opening a window like this. Can everyone see the window? This Arduino board, buzzer, breadboard and all. Please say yes if
No, sir. So it says login. Welcome back.
Okay. So that is a problem mostly everyone will face. Okay. So now you can see how to create an account. Okay. Firstly, I'll show you how to create an account because I think many of you have not created an account here. So I'll show you how to create an account first. Then you can log in. Okay? Yes.
Sir, the website is saying 404 error. This isn't the link you are looking for.
Okay. I'll just get back to it. Okay, just close it. I'll show you from the beginning how to create an account. I thought many of you had created an account earlier, so I'll just create an account. Okay. You have created, but mostly people are here who haven't created. Okay, so I'll just do it from the beginning, right? So everyone go to tinkercad.com. Is this screen visible to you all? Please say yes. Okay. So go to tinkercad.com. Okay. Then you'll have on the upper right hand corner, you'll have something called sign in, a button called sign in. Just click on it and you can click on sign in with Google. Okay. Because it will be very easy for you to sign in with Google, and rich people can sign in with Apple. Okay. And other people like us, you can sign in with Google. Okay. After that, you will be headed to some like your accounts. Okay, you just click on it, one of your accounts, and you'll see a screen something like this. I think someone has not muted their mic. Please mute. Okay. So, has everyone seen this screen? Or at least know how to? Okay. So, thank you for responding. You can click on circuits. Okay, after that, you can click on circuits. Okay. And you can create a new circuit. You can click on create a new circuit, or else you can go to notepad.pw where I shared the link, and you can click the link now. Now it will open without login. Okay. Now it will open. Yes.
Sir, I have already created and logged in with my account, but when I click on the website,
Okay.
which is in the notepad.pw, it
Yes.
says this is in
Okay,
the
okay.
page I'm looking for,
Okay,
and
okay, sure, sure.
error 404.
I'll share another link. Okay, I'll share another link. Okay, so that you guys can just join in. Okay.
If you have any doubt, we can clear all the doubts after the session.
Ma'am, sir is not audible.
He is audible. He will. Hello, Nishant.
Ma'am, I think his microphone is off.
Okay, wait a minute. You are not.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, I muted. Okay, I accidentally muted the thing. Okay, I'm very sorry for that. I accidentally muted, and sometimes these things happen. Okay, so
Nishant,
now.
will you please repeat all the session because you are muted at that time?
Okay. So, have you guys reached this page? Please say yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think I muted just before that. So after reaching this page, okay. So I'll be showing you how to connect first for the absolute beginners. Okay, I'll be showing you how to get these things by deleting all the stuffs, and I'll be doing it again. In the later links, you can just do the simulations by yourself. Okay. Firstly, in Tinkercad, there is a search bar here. Okay, you just search breadboard here. Breadboard. Okay, and you'll be seeing a lot of things here. And just drag and drop the thing. Okay, you just drag the thing and just keep it. And second thing is you have to bring the brain here. So you just write down Arduino. Okay, after writing down Arduino, just drag it. Okay, it's simple. Okay, just drag the things. After clicking it, drag it. Okay, after that you just write down buzzer. Okay, buzzer. You click on it and drag it. Okay, and place it in the breadboard. After that, you just hover on the pins of the buzzer. Okay, you see one as positive and another as negative. Okay, is everyone following with me, or is anyone not understanding? If not, please say no, so that okay, please repeat. This webinar will be recorded. Okay, if anyone is not following and all, you can just see the webinar again, and you can do the thing again. Okay, so that the people who are following will not lag behind. Okay, so you can see that you have a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Okay, you just click on this and just connect it to any of the pins. So I am connecting it to pin number 4. Okay, I am connecting it to pin number 4. Okay, wait, there is some problem. Okay, I am connecting it to pin number 4. Wait, oops. Directly now. I think there is a problem in the thing. It's not getting connected. I think that's the problem. Okay, if you connect all these stars, okay, wait, okay. Okay, so when you connect this thing, you have to connect this thing to pin number 4 and the second part, negative part, to pin number ground. Okay, you have to connect this. After that, the code is already there. Okay, code is already there in the link. Okay, you just start the simulation. Okay, you just start the simulation and you'll be hearing a sound. Okay, everyone is hearing some sound. Please say yes. Please say yes if yes, so that I can know that yes. Okay, so now this sound is of frequency 262 hertz. Okay, 262 hertz. If I change this thing, okay, if I change, I think everyone is opening the same link, and so there is a problem with that. Since please, for once, please everyone close the link so that I can change the stuffs here, because I think 70 of you are opening the link and everything is getting again and again. Okay, it's getting just jammed. Please close the link for now. You just see how I'm doing, and later you can do the same thing. Okay, just see, follow the thing. Okay, because I think I'm not being able to change here because everyone is opening the same link. Okay. So if you change the frequency here, okay, if you change it to like 1000, yes.
Sir, my brother responded, sir.
Yes.
How do you make the horizontal, sir?
I'll be telling you, okay, I'll be telling you more experiments will be there, okay. So just follow the thing, okay. Just follow the thing, okay.
Okay, sir. So it can't hear you. Sir, you're not audible.
So this was 262 hertz frequency, okay. If you change this to different thing, you'll be able to hear sound of different frequency, okay. I think someone is muting me, so I am not doing it deliberately, okay. I think it's getting muted again, okay. So this was the thing how you can make sound, okay. So in the second experiment, I'll be showing you now the second experiment, okay. First experiment was you have to just write down these frequencies, okay. First was 2.
Sir, you're muted.
Yes, sir.
Somebody had muted you.
Hello, Nishant? Hello?
Sir, you're still muted.
Hello, Nishant? You are not audible?
I think someone is muting me again and again. I don't know what's happening there. So it's okay. So now I'll be showing you another step. Okay. Am I audible right now? Please say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. Sorry for the technical difficulty because I think it's getting muted again and again. I don't know how it's getting. In the first time I thought I did it, but now I don't think I'm doing it. So
You
in
are
the
getting
second
all the
ex-
points, students? Sorry to
If
interrupt
yes.
you, Nishant. Please, yes,
Okay.
press yes. You like till now?
If no, just tell
Enjoying
no.
the
It's
workshop?
okay to tell no. Okay, it's okay to tell no. If no, just tell no. Okay. If yes, tell yes. Okay. There was some technical difficulty. I understand that. So we have two more experiments. Okay, two more interesting experiments. You'll be liking those things. This was just a basic thing. Okay. So in the second experiment, okay, we have I think everyone has seen a piano. Okay, piano has some keys, right? It is like a button. Okay, so for making a piano, first you need to know how to add a button to Arduino. Okay, so for that you need to make these connections. Okay, you have to make these connections in Tinkercad. Okay, you have to make these connections and connect a button. Okay, in the same way as this figure shows. Okay, so after that I'll be providing you with these codes. Okay, these codes. Okay, so now I'll be just writing down the different frequency here. Okay, 493 hertz. Okay, I'll be writing down 493 hertz and I'll start the simulation. As soon as I start the simulation and I press the button, okay, is everyone being able to hear me? Am I audible? Yes, yes. Okay, can you hear the sound when I press the button? Please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So please don't open the link now. I think because everyone is opening the link, it's not working well. So it's okay. But you can just change the frequency here. Okay, you can do it by yourself. Okay, you learn by doing it. Okay, you have to just change this thing. Okay, 493 to anything. Okay. So now you can change this to any other stuff and you just click on this button and you'll be hearing the frequency or sound of that frequency. Okay. So this was about one key. Okay. Now if I'll add 8 keys, okay, you'll be able to hear the sound of piano. Okay. Like suppose I think everyone is anyone well versed with music here? Is anyone doing musical classes and all? Please say yes or no here. Yes. Okay. So can you please write down in the chat section what notes are there in music? Basic notes. Okay. Just write down the basic notes in music like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have like 7 or 8 notes. Okay. It's called octave. Okay. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Neil Moses Pandey. Okay. Thank you.
So you are
Sir, you're
on
muted.
mute again. Yes, sir.
Right? I'm getting muted again and again. So I think you are able to hear me now, right? Someone please say yes. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Audible.
Okay, okay. So every note has a frequency, okay? C note has a frequency of 262 hertz, D has a frequency of 293 hertz, and so on. Okay, I have given the list. You'll be getting all these materials later after the workshop, okay, so that you also can do it. And everything is here, okay? The codes, from the codes to connections, everything is here. You can get all these things, okay, later. So when you map these things with the frequency, you'll be able to hear the musical note of that frequency. Okay. So now I'll be showing you the piano thing. For the piano, I think this is really cool after you connect it. Okay. For the first thing, when you look at it, it may look complex, but it is not that complex because you can do it one at a time. See, one button at a time. If you connect it like this, it will not be that complex. Okay. After connecting this in this manner, the same circuit diagram, okay, you will be providing you with the code and you can just add the frequency of the sound here and you'll be able to make the sound of that frequency. Okay. So I'll be just breezing through that. So when you start simulation, okay, and I press this, wait, I'll play. Everyone able to hear this? Please say yes.
Yes, sir.
So when you add all these buttons in this manner, okay, and you just write the code here, okay, just paste the code here and start the simulation, okay. In the same manner, in the hardware also, if you connect it in this manner and just upload the code to Arduino, you will be hearing sounds like this, okay. So suppose if you don't want to make a piano and if you want to make a video game, okay, you need to have some sound, okay. So for that you have to go to Google and suppose if you want to make a Mario tune, as everyone played Super Mario, yeah? Say yes. Has anyone played Mario or some? Yes. Okay. I think some people who are young, I think they have not played. Okay. Those who are old. Okay. So you can even write the tunes of Mario. Okay, you just go to Google and find the notes that are in the tune of Mario. Okay, and you have to write in the code that will teach in the later workshops. Okay, the later workshop will teach you how to write the code of that. And Rajata Raju, can you hear me? Yes. Okay. I think someone was not able to hear me. Okay. So for the piano, you just have to make this arrangement of circuit. Okay. After that, you just have to. This is really cool. Okay. If you make it in real breadboard and real Arduino, it will be satisfying to you. Okay. Since this is virtual thing, and I'm not being able to deliver it in the hardware, so I'm just doing simulations here. But the same thing will work in the hardware too. Okay. So after starting simulation, you'll be hearing the tones of sa re ga ma. It's like that in Indian, and if you're someone from abroad, it's like do re mi fa sol la ti. So that is the tunes of music. It is called octave. So it sounds like this. It is nothing but we are just adding frequency. Okay, we are just adding frequency to each variable. Okay, instead of this frequency, you can add any frequency and you can create your own music. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, but you have to do it by yourself at home so that you can learn more about it. By looking at it, it may look something complex, but if you do it again and again, and if you start from the basic, from the blinking of LED to this thing, adding buttons and all, you will be able to do this thing and many other stuffs with Arduino, and the possibilities are very countless. Okay, so I think it is already 11:47, and I think I have to hand over the thing to Mr. Arun. Okay, so I hope if at least 50% have understood. If yes, please say yes. Okay, I hope at least more than 50% have understood this thing and they are able to follow this thing. Okay, if no, we'll be explaining the code in the future webinar. Okay, because it is only of 1 hour. Since we had 3 experiments here, I was not able to explain the code that much. Okay, in the future webinars, okay, we'll be surely explaining the codes and we'll be telling you from the basics. Okay, from the basics and from the LED stuff.
Sir, will you please share the code, sir?
Share the code. Okay, you'll be able to get the code after the webinar in your email or whatever contact details you have given. We'll be sharing the PPT as well as the code. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, and I'll be handing over to Mr. Arun. Hello, Mr. Arun. Am I audible? And he'll be telling you more about the company and okay.
Okay, before starting with the next session, I would like to remind that is, if you have any doubt regarding the technical issues, if you want to learn about the codes and want to know anything about the Arduino, you just ping us or you just mail us and go through our email ID and website. There is the contact number is given there. Okay.
How are you all? Hello. I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are enjoyed the
Yes,
class?
sir.
Hello. सभी ने क्लास को एंजॉय किया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
देन किसी ने बेसिक सीखा होगा, किसी ने थोड़ा एडवांस सीखा होगा, बट आप लोग कितने साल से ऑर्डिनो सीखना चाहते हैं या कितने महीने से ऑर्डिनो सीखना चाहते हैं? कितने महीने से कोशिश कर रहे हैं आप? उसमें राइट कर सकते हैं 2 ईयर, वेरी गुड, 1 ईयर, नन, ओके, वेरी गुड। तो ऑर्डिनो क्या है, इसमें कोड बेस्ड लैंग्वेज होती है कि इसको सीखने के लिए आपको 2 तरीके हैं, या तो आप लॉन्ग वे चलिए या तो शॉर्ट वे चलिए। लॉन्ग वे मीन्स कि आप खुद ट्राई करते रहिए, आपको थिंकरकैड पे बहुत सारी वीडियो मिल जाएंगी, आपको यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारी वीडियो मिल जाएंगी और अदर रिसोर्सेस हैं, आप वहां से सीख सकते हैं। बट अगर आपको शॉर्ट वे में सीखना है, जल्दी सीखना है, क्योंकि टाइम नहीं होता किसी के पास, आप बेसिक सीखोगे फिर एडवांस में जाओगे, फिर ज्यादा एडवांस में जाओगे, तो वी हैव एक्साइटेड ऑफर फ्रॉम माय साइड। हमारी कंपनी के साइड से एक ऑफर है आपके लिए, आप उसको ऑफर को ले सकते हैं। निशान सर प्लीज शेयर पीपीटी। हेलो,
Please wait for some. Please wait. I am sharing it. Okay.
या
Okay. Is this thing visible?
तो एक कोर्स जो होता है हमारा 5000 का होता है, जिसमें आप 8 क्लास हमारे एकेडमी पे आके सीखते हैं, बट ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज है, ये वेबिनार का प्राइस है जिसमें हमने 60% ऑफ रखा है टुडे। अगर आज आप इनरोलमेंट करते हो तो आपको 60% ऑफर मिलेगा और ये कोर्स सिर्फ 2000 रुपए में मिलेगा। दिस इज वेरी एक्साइटेड ऑफर। ये हमने कभी भी ऑफर ऐसा नहीं दिया था हमारे एकेडमी पे भी और ऑनलाइन सेशन में भी, बट आज के लिए जितने भी लोग हैं ये आपके लिए एक ऑफर है, आप इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। इसमें आपको बहुत सारे एक्साइटेड ऑफर हैं। आपको इसमें ई सर्टिफिकेशन है कि इसको कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपको ई सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा। आप उस सर्टिफिकेट को कहीं भी आप दिखा सकते हो, अपने जॉब में दिखा सकते हो, अपने आप तो एजुकेशन में कहीं भी आप एडमिशन लेते हो तो वहां भी दिखा सकते हो, तो इसका बेनिफिट मिलेगा। और इसमें आपको वर्कशीट मिलती है, सभी क्लास के बाद आपको वर्कशीट मिलती है, आपको लाइव सेशन मिलते हैं, लाइव टाइम डाउट आपको क्लियर करना है तो आप उसको कर सकते हैं। हम लोग ऑनलाइन कंपटीशन कराते हैं जो आपको बेनिफिट।
Okay, hello all of you. It's Arpita Singh from this side. Is I'm audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For today's agenda, you like the agenda? You like the webinar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are providing an offers from our new Robos company. As I had already repeated that I'm sharing in a chat option the website link. Okay. And you go through the website, you get the offers for today. That is, as in a course, it is 5,000 rupees. But if you register today in 24 hours, then you are getting 2,000 rupees. And in that course, we are covering a lot 7-day session. Means 7 projects. You will complete the 7 projects. In each project, you are getting 1 and 1.5 session live session from us, and in each session you are getting one project. For example, we take an example. आज आपने क्या सीखा? मेकअप पियानो यूजिंग आर्डिनो। बहुत बेसिक से हमने 20-25 मिनट्स में कवर अप किया है, लेकिन इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो आपको बतानी है। तो हम हर सेशन में एक प्रोजेक्ट सेशन रखेंगे जिसमें आप हर दिन एक आर्डिनो से रिलेटेड एक प्रोजेक्ट, एक अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे विद अ सिनेरियो, फॉर एग्जांपल थर्मामीटर और डीसी मोटर, आर्डिनो कार। तो इस तरीके से बहुत सारी हमारे पास कलेक्शंस हैं। यू कैन गो थ्रू द लिंक एंड यू गेट द कंप्लीट पैकेज, कोर्स पैकेज। डिस्क्रिप्शन आपको मिल जाएगा। और इफ इट इज सूटेबल, इसके साथ साथ आपके पास लाइव सेशन के साथ साथ आपके पास रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस भेजे जाएंगे, कोर्सेज भेजे जाएंगे, कोड भेजे जाएंगे, और जो भी रिसोर्सेज हैं, पीडीएफ जो आपको पढ़ना है, अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में हैं या फिर आप 10th 11th 12th में हैं और ग्रोइंग आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में जाना चाह रहे हैं तो आपके पास एक प्रिस्क्राइब्ड मैनर में कार्डिनो का रिसोर्स भेजा जाएगा। ये सब फ्री रहेगा अगर आपने आज ही एनरोल कर लिया। इसके साथ साथ हम और भी बेनिफिट, एडिशनल बेनिफिट कोर्सेज रख सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, आवर डाउट सेशन at the end of our session, we send the doubt session for 1 hour with our technical lead. अगर कोई भी डाउट सेशन है और आपको कुछ बाद में भी हमसे कोई हेल्प चाहिए, सेशन के बाद भी, मतलब आपने सेशन कंप्लीट कर लिया उसके बाद भी आपको कोई डाउट है, कभी प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, आपको हमसे हेल्प चाहिए, तो वी आर ऑलवेज 24/7 we are available. So you go through the site and उसमें contact number भी है, you can share it, and I'm also sharing the link for the payment. और आपके मेल पे भी ये लिंक आ जाएगी, not to worry. अगर आप रेडी हैं, if you are ready then you say yes. It shows very exciting, it is very exciting offer for us, for you all. And please send the feedback for our workshop. It is very impressive to show the positive feedback, or if you want some changes in that, you just contact us with our number. I am sending the number also if you want any query.
Ma'am, website link, ma'am.
I'm sharing the website link already. I will share it right now.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
please go through that. The website link is in a chat box. In a chat box, it is there. Okay.
Ma'am, can you share it once again, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. Yes, for today's the recording is already available. We will send you to the mail with the mail, and it will be given in our website also. You go to that, and you please like our page in Facebook, LinkedIn, as well as in Instagram if you are. It is very helpful, and every updates are available in Facebook and LinkedIn page of our Neurobos. I'm also sharing the payment link, and if you have any doubt, you just call us.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the slide be shared.
Yeah, if you need slides, then you please contact us. The number is in a website only. You go through the website. The number is given. If you have any query or you want any resources from our side, we will send you. Definitely.
Sure, ma'am.
एंड आज आपने जैसे आर्डिनो की कोर्सेज किए और उसमें आपने कई लोगों को ये नहीं पता था कि मटेरियल्स कैसे लगाएंगे या कैसे लेंगे. देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ हार्डवेयर टिल नाउ. आपको आज कहीं भी प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं लगा होगा कि आपको हार्डवेयर की जरूरत है. हम सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर से ही आपको आर्डिनो की फ्रॉम द 0 लेवल टू हाई लेवल तक हम उसको ग्रो अप करेंगे. नॉट टू वरी कि हम अभी नए हैं या हम नहीं जानते हैं उसके बारे में.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it is Neurobos, no, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes. What you want to know? Please chat with us because your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, the website link is that Neurobos, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Repeat.
Yes, this is just slightly.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Neurobos in the heart.
ऑफर 1 आवर्स के लिए है, तो अभी आप लोग ले सकते हो, डायरेक्टली पेमेंट कर सकते हो, आपको लिंक आ जाएगा।
Okay, you go to the website. You will get the details. Is I'm audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay. We have lots of means thermometer, DC motor, car, and I will tell you. Please wait. I will tell you what are the projects. The course detail is already available in our website link. You go through that, and if you have any query and you want to study from the basic means. You just contact us in this number and go through this link, and if you want to mail us, you just go to that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, class is over. Please send me your feedback.
This class is over, ma'am.
The class is over. You learned something, then you please share your feedback.
Thank you, ma'am. Can we leave, ma'am?
Not to worry, we will send you the recording. What are the 7 projects which we are going to discuss? Okay. What are the 7 projects? I will tell you. Is I'm audible? You go through the link first of all, then the projects are basically keyboard, piano, thermometer, space interfacing, and vibrators, knock vibrators, door back or cooler mixing lamp. Various type of projects are going to be covered in this. Okay, the second link in the notepad.pw site is not working. Okay, we will send you right now.
We'll be sending you the links to the email. Okay, so don't worry about that.
Not to worry, you just go through the feedback. You like the webinar, or is it your first webinar in Arduino? Because some of the students are very new to the Arduino, I think so. Okay, any problem? It's first webinar. You like it? Yes, please. Yes, please give us feedback. There is lot of things we have to discuss with you all, but because of shortage of time, we can't do. Where's the link on WhatsApp? We will give you the link on a mail. We have your mail. We will send you. So please send all the link reference material on mail. Yeah, sure. We will send you every details, payment link, everything will be shared with the mail. We can't vote for that. We are here for Arduino workshop. The recording should be sent through the mail or the link should be shared, so you can go through that link. Recorded link is shared with you with the mail. Not to worry. Yeah, please, if you have no query, then you can leave and go to the site, go through our site. And if you have any query or you want to our course, then you can call us. Do you have any queries? Thank you all. You can log out if you need. If you have any query, then please contact us. Yeah, you can leave. The webinar session is over. And we are here for discussing any point if you need. Ashmi. Okay, there are a lot of things we have to discuss, but we can't discuss everything in this webinar right now, because it is you are new in Arduino. We are giving the brief description of how to make a piano. Not to worry. The course content is covered in our project. It is about 1 hour class. We will share, the updates will be available on our site as well as in your Facebook. Please like our page and in LinkedIn, Facebook, and in Instagram, so that you can get the webinar updates as well as your live classes. Join our classes so you can get a detailed version of Arduino projects in very less time. part we will discuss, we will update soon for the next webinar. You go through the link and you go through our website, and our updates will be there. If you join us in our course, we have lots of resources as well as projects to discuss with you. Join us in 2000 rupees. You can call us, Parth, whenever you need to be discuss anything. You just call us. We will brief you about the project as well as the program. Go through the website. I'm sharing here again. You can contact us. The number is given in the website. Chandrika, are you active right now? Jairam, are you active right now? Okay, you can leave if you can, because the session is over. Everyone is removed. Okay, thank you, Chandrika. सर बंद करें? अरुण सर हैं?